Hi, I'm Jackie. Thank you for coming into my home. I don't have a real studio set up, so I'm going to show you my kitchen. But that's not what this is really about. This is about the Envision Center at Microsoft. But where better to start than to look at an old retro oven from the 1960s. Actually, it might be more like 1940s. Check this out. People love this. You have a oven door that rises and falls. You have a fan that opens and shuts, and sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. And check this out. You see? I'll move the camera down. You have a stove that holds the So, pretty cool. We're not here to talk about my stove. We're here to talk about what your time at the Envision Center can mean to you. The Envision Center is about bringing the physical to the digital. And at Microsoft, you know, we're all about innovation. So imagine touching a wall. Oh, sorry, this is my current online Xbox manual I'm writing. Yes, I have Post-its all over my wall still. But imagine this to be a blank wall. And imagine that I can just touch screen my recipe. I can pull out my oven. I can go to the other side, pull out my cutting board, and actually have someone on this wall telling me what to chop, how much to chop, and how to make my meal for the day. That's what the Envision Center can bring to you. Again, digital meets the physical. Come join us for a tour. Not what you expected, a piece of paper. That's because I'd like to tell you, if you'll indulge me, a little bit more about myself at Microsoft. Oh, let's see. I'll just choose a contract. I've been here 15 years, had many contracts, and was also permanent. So, I happen to choose a Volt Technical Editor contract from 2002 to 2003. So that was obviously a 1 year, and we edited technical documents, consultant materials, marketing collateral. I would guess, let's see, for that job, I worked probably on Microsoft Exchange. Oh, that was the internal ICE tool, intellectual capital. That was dynamic. We worked with the consultants, the MCS. I hope that group still exists. And we went ahead and we sanitized all the documentation with the legal department. And we made sure that the best practice recommendations could serve as intellectual capital for other groups to utilize on Microsoft. Let's pick a different one. Managing Editor and Project Manager, July 2007 to 2008, Safeco University. Okay, I've been outed. This is my 1 out of 2 1-year hiatuses outside of Microsoft over the past 15 years. But this one was great, and this is why. Because I established an editorial workflow, so I was in a leadership role, into a larger development workflow. So anybody who knows about the software development process at Microsoft, I was able to utilize some best practices from that. And I managed and designed online applications to automate intake and workflow processes. Automation, this is what we're talking about. Do you know that this group, if I remember, did not have a tool for any of their editorial requests? I came in and said, wait a minute, there's one person, 17 instructional designers. It's time that we triage, depends which coast you're on here in AOC. And I went ahead and took some of my Microsoft experience before 2007 and ensured that I could apply it and create a bona fide work step, editorial work step, into courseware that the instructional designers were creating to send out to their teams in the field. And without the help of Microsoft's innovation, that was the predecessor to 2007, So that's about a six-year tenure prior to 2007. I could not have accomplished creating help files and updating product-specific team style guides and the various other duties that I undertook as a managing editor and project manager. Let's choose another one. This time I'm going to go to page 2. Pardon me. Okay, I'm back. International Program Manager, Marketing Writer, September 2009 to November 2011. Vendor at Microsoft Store. This is a funny story. We're already at 5 minutes. If you want to hear more, I'm happy to interview with you. The Envision Center is going to be cool, and I want to be part of it. Have a great day.